Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the sine rule to calculate unknown angles and lengths in a non-right angled triangle. Okay, so if we look at this example, we've been asked to work out the length of B, which is this length here, and the length of C, which is this length here, using the sine rule. I showed you in a previous video how to derive this sine rule using trigonometry. So if you're not sure about that, you should watch that previous video. I'll put a link in the description below. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to label our sides. So we can see that this side, the 3 centimeter side, is opposite the angle capital A. So we'll label this side as little a. We can see that this side is opposite B, so it's little b, and then C as opposite angle C. Because we want to work out a length, we're going to have a length on top. So we're going to use this formula, where the length is the numerator of each fraction. And because we have an opposite pair of length and angle, which is this one and this one, we'll start with these. So we'll say A, which is 3 centimeters, over the sine of angle A, so the sine of the 40 degrees, will equal the length B over the angle capital B, so over sine 52. Now you can see we're trying to work out this B, so we'll move this division of sine 52 to the other side of the equation. So we'll multiply both sides by the sine of 52. So now we have 3 multiplied by the sine of 52 over the sine of 40. Remember that we're only multiplying this numerator by the sine of 52, not the denominator and numerator, so just the numerator. And this will equal length B. And we can work out this on our calculators. So we'll enter the fraction as 3 sine 52, and for our denominator we'll have the sine of 40. And you can see this is 3.67 or 3.68 to 2 decimal places. Okay? And we'll include that on our diagram, so 3.68. So now we'll work out the length C. And again, we'll use the angle and length that we already have. So we'll say 3 over the sine of 40 now equals the length C over the sine of the angle. But we don't know this angle, but we can work it out using angles in a triangle. So this will be 180 minus 52 minus the 40, and that'll be 88 degrees. And again, we'll move this denominator to the other side of the equation, so we're making C the subject. So now we get 3 times the sine of 88 over the sine of 40 will equal the length C. Working this out over the sine of 40, and we get 4.66. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did find that helpful, please like and subscribe, and you can download the full lesson and worksheet from my website, mrmathematics.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks again, and take care.